Good afternoon, Leavenworth. All right, we are going to take our entertainment back into the game right here. The Leavenworth High School Caroling Choir is composed of 9th through 12th grade students from the school symphonic choir, concert choir, and the Avenue C Jazz Choir is under the direction of Serena Wilkie. This special choir comes together once a year to prepare lots of Christmas classes to perform at various holiday functions in their local community, as well as for their annual trip to Leavenworth. They will be performing a selection of holiday songs ranging from traditional carols, moody winter songs, upbeat music, theater songs, and holiday jazz tunes. This is a very special group of young musicians, and we are always excited to have this group show up once again in our busy stage. Ladies and gentlemen, the Everett High School Caroling Choir.